Good morning, TK. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are doing well today. So this week and next week are going to be a little wacky. Next Friday, no, you guys are finished earlier than that. You guys are done by the 2nd. So this week is, I'm going to be posting an assignment, but it's ungraded, so it's really optional this time. So we are going to be working on a Father's Day inspired project, since Father's Day is our next holiday and I won't be with you guys to create something for our dads. So I'm going to be doing that with you today. So some materials that you'll need, again, if you don't have these, just use what you have, improvise. So I have a piece of paper, I have a pencil eraser, a black marker, some paint, and a paper towel, okay? We're going to be using our fingertips as our paintbrushes today, so we're going to be doing a little bit of finger paint today, okay? Okay, so if you guys want to use you'll need scissors too if you do this part. If you guys want to use the whole paper, you can. If you want to fold it in half and just use half a paper, or maybe you want it to look like a card, that's an idea. You can do that, okay? I'm going to fold it in half because finger painting the whole paper will take forever, but option's yours, okay? If you want to keep it like that, you can. So I'm actually going to fold it because I want it to be like a card, okay? Or you can just cut it right down the middle and then you just have one paper, and then maybe the back you can write a little message, okay? It's up to you guys, whatever you like to do. So what we're going to do is we are going to be drawing a tie right in the center of our paper, okay? So we're going to draw a tie. I'm going to show you guys how to draw a tie on the whiteboard here, okay? So first you're going to start with the line, and then I'll move it over so you guys can see what exactly am I doing. So a shape kind of like that. So a line at the top, 2 lines down, and then a line inward, and then a line across. So something like that. Okay. And then the next step is you're going to draw a few lines going out, and then in again, and then a little, you can make a little point if you want, or it can be like that. So 2 lines out, of course straighter than I'm doing, and 2 lines in, and then if you guys want it to be like at a point, it can be at a point, or if you want like a little line there, you can add like a little line there. Okay, so we're going to be drawing a tie in the center of our paper, okay? So again, if you are doing a full sheet, your tie is going to be much bigger than the one I'm going to do, but I'm just focusing on half the paper, okay? So let me put that to the side, and then I'm going to draw my tie on my paper here. So this is where you're going to need your pencil, okay? So I'm going to start drawing my tie, and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so that's starting it. And your tie can be as big as you want it to be, as small as you want it to be. It's up to you, okay? And then maybe your dad wears a special tie and you want to draw that tie, you can do that. It's up to you guys. I'm actually going to do it as a point. Something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and trace it in my black marker or permanent marker. I'm actually going to switch it to permanent marker because I'm going to erase my pencil lines so I can make sure everything looks really Good. So I'm just tracing over my pencil lines. And then I'm going to erase any pencil lines that I see here. Okay. It's a little bit harder for you if you use a just a black marker, and when you're erasing, because you'll kind of erase this and it just gets real smudgy and ugly. Okay, so there's your tie. Again, if you want to decorate it, you can. Maybe your dad wears like a Star Wars tie every May the 4th. You can draw a little Star Wars on there, like a symbol, or maybe your dad wears like a polka dot tie. It's up to you. Whatever you choose to do inside that tie, option's yours. You can just leave it blank. If you want to trace it in, maybe you have like a shiny marker or like a glittery marker. I actually have like a metallic gold, so I'm gonna go ahead and just trace inside here in that color. So it's up to you guys if you want to decorate it or not. Maybe your dad's favorite color is blue and you want to decorate it in blue. It's up to you guys. Maybe you want to write dad inside here. Choice is yours. Okay, so I just outlined it in like a Sharpie bronze metallic. Okay, so now this is where we're gonna get dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna move all this stuff to the side. Okay, I'm gonna open my paints, all of them, because I'm gonna use all of them. And I am gonna start with the color to the left, which is green, and I'm gonna work my way all the way to the right to blue, okay? So I'm just gonna get my finger in there, and I'm just gonna make little polka dots all around my tie. So not on my tie, around my tie, okay? And I think I'm done with green, so I'm going to clean my finger with my paper towel. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and get orange now and just do the same thing. Just polka dots all over the place. And you guys can fill it in as much as you like. Or maybe you want to just do a little bit, or just your dad's favorite colors. I'm going to clean my finger. If you guys want to use all of your fingers, you can. It's up to you. I'm just going to use one finger and clean it off. And I'm just decorating all over. Then if you guys want, when it dries, you can add more polka dots. Little finger dots. And I say that because when it dries, you're able to add more colors on there. Like right now, I can't overlap the colors because the colors will change. But once it dries, you can do that part. Okay. I'm just filling in all these spots. If you want to have it bigger, you can. It's up to you guys. Oops, whoops, whoops. I'm just filling in all these spots here. Okay, I'm going to switch my colors. I'm going to go to pink now. Okay, I'm gonna go to blue, my last color. Any open spots, just kind of trying to get in there. Green is kind of starting to dry. And the more you press down, the bigger the print will be. You just lightly press on there, you'll get like a little dot. I'm just filling it all in. Okay, and that does it, guys. We are done. So again, if you want to add more dots, you can once your paint dries, so it's just really covered in dots, little fingerprints. If you guys want to put the year down, you can somewhere. Maybe you want to write it inside the tie. See if I can do that very carefully. Maybe you want to do this before you paint or when it dries. Okay, and then you have your little card. You can open it up and write everything you want to write in there, but wait till this dries before you do that, okay? Okay, we are done, and that was simple, that was easy, and I'll see you guys back on, let's see, Monday. Yes, I think, maybe, yes, I'm pretty sure yes. If not, it's been fun, guys. I miss you so much, and I will see you soon. I am sure of it. Bye, guys.